Hello, Andy from Cornish Motorcycle Diaries here, and welcome to another video. But this one is very different to everything I've done recently, because something has finally happened which I've been thinking about for a very, very long time, and have taken a long time to get to the point where it's actually happening. But it is actually happening now. So let's see if we can make the change happen. And as if by magic, there is no bike behind me. But what if I try the same trick again? Let's see if I can bring the bike back. 1, 2, 3, and... Oh, wait a minute. What's happened? I think something's changed. Shall we see what's changed? Hope it's not something bad. You never know. Yes, folks, you can see what it is. It's a 2026 Kawasaki Eliminator SE, the channel's new ride. Welcome aboard, but what's the first thing I've got to do? I've got to think of a name for it. I don't know. You make a suggestion. I'm just going to call it Eliminator for now. Suggestions not on a postcard, please. So, I guess you want to hear it start up, don't you? Shall we do that? It's the key. Now, one of the great advantages of this bike compared to my Goldstar is that it's much lower. And much lower means easier for me to deal with. I'll do all the stuff in a bit. But one of the reasons why I'm getting this bike is because even with my short legs, I can get both feet down, even on with trainers. There we go. Running in is actually very simple. First 25 miles, keep it under 4. But after that, you got to rev it around, accelerate, decelerate, give it a good run out. Don't have extended periods at high revs, but otherwise, no real limits. Fantastic. Well, there we have it. Kawasaki Eliminator 500 SE, bought for the reasons basically it fits my aging body better than the BSA did. I was beginning to get to the point where I was worried I was falling off, I was struggling a little bit, and better safe than sorry. And also, I think this bike is a little bit faster. It's certainly lighter and easier to manage for this old man who wants to keep riding for another few years. Well, on that bombshell, hope you've enjoyed this little sneaky little intro bike reveal video. Please keep watching, like, comment and subscribe. Helps keep the channel above the choppy waters of the YouTube algorithm and keeps delivering content to you. There'll be lots of stuff on this, of course. What do you want to see? Anyway, I'll be reviewing it, riding it, going to places on it, just generally enjoying it. And I've also got the backup of Kawasaki, who are a very major respected brand. So I feel confident for the future. Okay, on that note, thanks for watching. I've been Andy, or Captain Clumsy. This is Cornish Motorcycle Diaries. I think I'll have to think of a new logo though, won't I?